speechless. Glad you enjoyed it.
What was that horrible noise?
Which one? I've been working on this song, but I need some help.
You don't need help. You just need to write what you know. So what do you know, Danny?
I don't know what I know.
Don't get bogged down with what's in your head. Just focus on what's in your heart.
That's good advice. Thanks, Brooke.
So, how's the writing going?
Struggling like Tiffany trying to solve a Sudoku puzzle.
Sudoku?
Yep.
Maybe I can help.
You're not gonna rap, are you?
Did you want me to?
No.
Good. I wrote this poem, and I thought if you like it, you could turn it into a song. Can I read it to you?
At this point, I'm willing to try anything.
Okay. It's called Could You Be the One? Are you gonna be the one in my dream when I close my eyes? Out of everyone, the best for me, the one that I call mine.
Wow, that's great, Lexi. How'd you come up with that?
I've been writing a lot of poetry lately.
It's really good.
Oh, hey! And then maybe for the song, are you gonna be the one in my dream when I close my eyes? Or something like that.
Well, listen, I'm gonna take this home and work on it and add some music to it. Thanks, Lexi.
Hey, did you finish that poem you were writing for Danny? As a matter of fact, I did. I told you, Lexi, not from your head, but from your heart. Thanks, Brooke. These Sudoku puzzles are so hard. How can you stop doing it? I told you to. Not from your heart, but from your head. Do you think that'll help?
Hey, Lexi, I finished it. I want to sing it for you.
For me? I mean, of course.
Flying in between all the scenery. It's on. It's on. Could it be you? I'm looking for a heart that's true to come along. It's on. Are you gonna be the girl in that dream when I close my eyes? Out of everyone, the best for me, the one that I call mine. Are you gonna be the one, the shining star? My world, I'm not looking for just any girl. Could you be the one? Could you be the one?
That was amazing and so heartfelt.
Thanks, I couldn't have done it without your incredible poetry.
We make a good team.
We do, don't we, buddy? High five.
Buddy. You know that buddy was from the heart, right? I guess. Who